This free automation bot is gonna allow you to get paid again and again from anywhere in the world, and being the person that I am, I don't like wasting time, so I'm always trying to be as productive as possible. So instead of wasting my energy on this side hustle, I can just let this free automation bot work for me in the background while I do some more productive things like reading a book, learning something new from an online course, or working on improving my skills and more. So if you value your time and you don't want to waste it, then this video is absolutely for you, as it'll show you how to make money online while the bot works for you in the background. If you're ready to learn something like that, then make sure to drop a like to this video, and if you haven't already, click on that red subscribe button with notifications on so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you'll be one of the first to use it, and that way, of course, make the most money. Alright, so first of all, I want to show you proof that this actually works and that this is worth your time. So you can see all of these people, they're being paid every single day on complete autopilot. These are all instant PayPal payments that these guys are receiving, and you can see that this is only for today. How many people they've paid today? There's a lot of people that are being paid with this app, but they don't know and they don't have the automation bot, which I'm about to share with you in this video, and so they're making only a couple of dollars here and there, and they're pretty much struggling. But for you, it's gonna be super easy, because the automation bot is gonna help you maximize your results for free. So yeah, I just wanted to show you proof that this actually works and that you should pay attention to this video. You can see it right here that these guys have paid out their members over $4 million. $4,175,000 to be precise. So over $4 million has been generated with this app already, and you can see that they have super fast payments within 24 hours, meaning you can literally start making money today. Even if this is your first time trying to make money online, you can still do it within 24 hours. They also have a low cash out threshold, and that means that you don't need to make hundreds to cash out. You can cash out as soon as you have a couple of bucks into your account. You can work from home, and you will get a 20-cent join bonus, which may not seem like a lot, but it's a really nice gift they're giving. So you just sign up for free in less than 60 seconds and you get 20 cents. They accept different payment options, so you can collect your payments through PayPal. You can also get Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards. You can get Skrill and Bitcoin as well. So you can select which payment option suits you and use that. I personally prefer to use PayPal because then I can spend my money on whatever I want to, or I can also withdraw it to my bank account and get that straight cold cash from an app that I found online. Now, don't worry, because you maybe saw some surveys and offers. You won't have to complete that, because there's one feature on this website that's gonna allow you to make money without completing surveys and offers. And then the automation bot, the external tool which I'm about to share with you in this video, will help you set everything on autopilot and do the work for you. So step number 1 is gonna be to join superpay.me. You can just come over to superpay.me and you can read more about how it works. You can even watch this short video that's gonna explain exactly how the website works and how people are generating millions of dollars with this website right here. And you can also see all of the features that are available on the homepage. If you want to see payment proof, just as I showed you at the beginning of this video, you can just click on payment proof right here, and that's going to show you lots of different people that are being paid every single day. You can see the amount of money that they're collecting, and you can see over 33,000 pages, and each of those pages has like 20 or 30 different people. So that's a lot. A lot of people are being paid every single day with this website, and most of those are PayPal instant payments. So not even 8 hours, they're literally being paid instantly to their account. So before you start using the automation bot, I want you to click on join for free today. You can sign up for free. Now, you'll need to enter some basic information about yourself so you can register. So enter your name, email address, create a username, create a password, and enter your address. Select the country you're coming from, and all of these countries are accepted because it works worldwide. So if you can see your country on this list, then chances are it's gonna work for you as well. It really doesn't matter where you're from, like if you're from India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Hong Kong, it works worldwide. Now just select your payment option on how you want to get paid. If you want to get paid through PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address. If you want to collect Bitcoin, just copy and paste your Bitcoin address in this box, and once you're done, just click Create Account. Now, once you've registered to SuperPay, this is how it's gonna look like once you log in. On the right hand side, you can see in real time how much money people are making on this platform. But the most important thing is that you can check out paid offers right here. So you can see all of the different surveys that someone can complete, and each of those surveys is gonna make them money. But it's not something that we'll be focusing on because surveys can be boring and long. Then you also have offer walls, different offers that you can complete on a daily basis and get paid. You can even watch ads and you can engage with videos and also get paid for it. But it's also not something that we'll be focusing on. You also have different contests, and you can even win a $1,000 cash contest. Well, actually, that's really good, and I highly recommend you check out those contests as well because they can make you a lot of money. So you can join different contests and win a reward, and all of those rewards and contests could make you thousands of dollars. They usually run those contests on a monthly basis, which is really good. So with this one free app, this one free website, with this one free platform, you can get paid $1,000 in real cash, and you can also see other people that have been winning thousands of dollars with this platform in the past. Anyways, so how will we be making money if not by completing surveys, offer walls, and so on? Well, first of all, I want to check out their referral program. Click on the referrals right here, and that's going to show you exactly how much money you'll be making. You'll be making 25% of whatever the person you have referred to the platform makes. So if you refer someone and they sign up for free, they start making money by completing surveys and offers and so on, you'll be making 25% of whatever they make. Now, they won't lose anything. If they made $1,000, they'll still keep their $1,000, but you'll just get $250 extra for free as a bonus, just for referring them. And it's a lot easier to refer someone to a platform where they can sign up for free and where they can make money than it is just to sell them something or to make them sign up to some paid offer. It's a lot easier to make them sign up for free, and they will also have a chance to make money. So they'll be thankful because you provided them with a real platform that's going to help them make a couple of dollars here and there as a side income, and also you'll be thankful because you're making passive income from that. If you refer 1,000 people to this platform, which is pretty easy and simple because you saw that millions of people are using this, so if you refer 1,000 people to this absolutely free platform and each of those people make $10 a month, that's $10,000 in total, and you make 25% off of that. That's $2,500 every single month, completely passive without lifting a finger, and they just need to make $10 a month. I mean, it's just a no-brainer, and that's just one of the ways you can make money with SuperPay. As I said, you can also win these contests and at one payment get like $1,000, just pretty insane. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to grab your link right here, and let me show you how to set up the automation bot so you can make money completely passive. So you won't have to spam your friends and family to sign up to SuperPay, because I don't really like that idea. I don't like it when someone says, yeah, go send them a message on Facebook or on Instagram, ask your friends and family to sign up. I'm not into that. There's a better way to get traffic to your referral link, and here's how. So you'll need to go over to Herculist, and this is over at the Herculist.com. This is a platform that will allow you to advertise to thousands daily for free. So you can send out an email with your referral link to thousands of people all around the world for free. This is a trusted service, 100% real traffic. So real people are getting those emails and real people are reading those emails, which have your referral link included. You can do this with just your smartphone, so you can submit your ads on the go with just a phone. Even from bed, you can still do this. So just sign up for free to Herculist by clicking on the sign up button. Create a free account, and once you have signed up for free, you'll be able to submit your ad in less than 60 seconds. You'll literally just need to create a call to action and leave your referral link over there. So you just need to share this link with them on Herculist, and it's really easy. You just submit that ad, and on a daily basis, they will be sending that out for free to 1,000 different people all around the world. Now, out of 1,000 people, if you can just get 50 people to sign up every single day, in 10 days, you'll have 500 people signed up. In 20 days, that's already 1,000 people. And as I said, they literally just need to make $10 a month with this platform, just $10, and that's like 2 or 3 different surveys that they need to complete, and you'll be making thousands of dollars from that completely passive. Now, obviously, this is not a sustainable business and you should not focus on this full time. This is not something that will replace your full-time job or whatever, but it is a nice way to maybe earn some extra money on the side because this free website called Herculist will be doing the work for you. It will be promoting this link for you, which can get you some passive income. And this free automation bot can pretty much get you traffic to whatever you want to, but in this case, we'll be promoting a referral link for superpay.me because you're helping other people with a platform where they can sign up for free and they can make money, and on the back end, you're making quite a bit of passive income for yourself. So it's a win-win, and the free automation bot does the work for you. That's all for today. I hope you got some value out of this video and learned something new, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click that red subscribe button with notifications on so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.